Hey guys, in the last two tutorials we have worked on the database part. We have created a contact class, we have created database helper class, and before that we have also created sign up and display and main activity class. So I need to make some changes in the database helper class. So here just open this class and here change this, remove this auto increment, and we need to make some changes so that the ID is unique, because here we are not inserting the ID and we need to do that now. If you want to see how I created this, then I'll put all the links in the description bar below, and I'll also put the links, the previous tutorials on the screen. So here after the content values, in the insert contact, we'll create a query, string query, select star. Star means all values, everything. Select star from table name, that is contacts, and after that we'll make a cursor variable. Cursor equals db.raw query, and here we'll pass this one, and we'll also pass null for the second parameter. So, and we are using these two to get how many, the count of the contacts that are already present, and we are passing that count as the ID. So if there are 5 contacts, so their ID will be 0 1 2 3 4, and the next ID will be equal to the count, that is 5. So for that, write int count equals cursor dot get count, and we'll pass this here. So write values dot put column ID comma count. Now we can test it out. So I'll run it in debug mode. So for that we need to click here, and I have already launched this emulator. If you don't know how to create your custom emulator, then I have a tutorial on that. I'll put a link on the screen and also in the description bar below. You can check it out. I'll just expand this window to see what is going on, and we will be checking the logcat, and the activity is launched. We'll click on sign up here button, and we'll create a contact. Just insert any random values. For username I'll write ASD, and for password I'll write QWE, and now click on sign up and click back. Now I'll try to log in. So if it was inserted and everything is working out perfectly, then it will open the display activity. So write ASD, that is the username, and password was QWE, and click on login. So the display activity is opening ASD. So if I write a wrong password, it shouldn't open the display activity. So I'll just try to write a wrong password or username, whatever, and click on login. It won't open. Username and password don't match. So this is how you create a login activity and sign up activity with the database. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you think it was helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and also hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.